welcome back to
Kids Fun
Learn
Learn Club. And today is episode 10.
Today is episode 10.
10.
And in this episode 10, what are we going to do is something that even we don't know. Right, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Okay. So keep watching this video to see who has been featured in this video's shout out. We feature in our every video our Instagram profile and our YouTube profile. So keep watching the video to see who got featured in this video. Until then, let's get started with the drawing, the sketching. So what are we going to sketch? Whatever Parikshit wants to sketch, we will be sketching that today.
Literal diamond pickaxe, or someone is holding a diamond pickaxe.
Start, I'll follow you. Let's follow Parikshit today. What is that?
A curve,
Okay.
another curve on top of it,
Okay.
and draw the handle.
This is an axe.
No, a pickaxe.
Okay, pickaxe. Parikshit wants us to make this. And then this. What is that?
A tiger. No, it's a man. It's a person holding it.
It's a person holding it. So his hand should be smaller, no?
I made it.
Should be like this. See?
Oh, I just made a lady. Someone is holding a diamond pickaxe as an umbrella.
Okay. I'm doing something else, okay? What will I do?
I don't know.
I'll draw a cartoon. Let's see what it comes. Just keep following me.
You.
You can do something of your own. I am doing something of my own. Okay.
Why does it look like a monster? Why does it look like a monster? What are you making?
This is a sketching challenge and I am just doing. So, yes, I forgot to give the shout out to this week's featured Instagram channel. Let's take the shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at the Kids Fun Club.
Now that we have seen the shout out, let's continue with our sketching. What did you do?
Just drew like compass.
Nothing. Parikshit did not do any sketching.
Yes, I
I
did.
don't know what did he do.
I just drew like a lady holding something,
Okay.
holding a diamond pickaxe, and there's like a giant,
We are having fun in this sketching challenge.
giant zombie coming out of a circus,
Oh, okay.
and the river just flowing through.
Wow, that's amazing. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you did enjoy, tell us in the comments below.
Below.
And do not forget to watch these next videos that you see on top of your screen. Have a great and a wonderful day.
Day.
Bye bye from Parikshit and Kids Fun Land Club.
Yeah.